Welcome back to the channel. I'm going to be making ABTs, so stick around and I'll show you how to make them. This week we're going to do some ABTs. That's better known in the barbecue world as atomic buffalo turds. This is going to be one of my appetizers, one of my favorite appetizers, and it's going to be one of 3 or 4 appetizer series on my playlist. What we have to do is basically get some peppers. I have some jalapenos, some little mini bell peppers. I have cream cheese, I have bacon, and I have my barbecue rub. So first thing I guess, put on my gloves since I don't want to rub my eyes or anything while cutting jalapenos. What we'll do is we'll take the jalapenos, cut them in half. You want to remove all the seeds and the stems. That usually makes it really hot, so you want it to eliminate as much heat as possible. Alright, so what I'll do is I'll empty it into a little dish. I'll cut all the stuff out, take all the seeds out. All the stem seeds, as much as you can out of there, just so so it's not too hot. I try to do this as fast as possible. Say for people that find jalapenos too hot, I'll do a couple of little mini bell peppers. That's for people that I love jalapenos, but some people find it too hot, so I'll do a couple of these. I'll fill these with cream cheese, then I'll spice it up with my barbecue rub, and then I'll wrap it with bacon. And we'll put it on my Weber grill and get it so the bacon is nice and crispy. Peppers fine. It doesn't have to be really cooked or anything. Usually just go till the bacon's nice and crispy, and makes it great appetizers for football season, Christmas, New Year's appetizers. I guess Christmas is over, but makes a good appetizers for New Year's. But especially good for football season. Watching a big game, just have a bunch of appetizers, drinks. Whenever we can get together and do that. Just gonna clean all the seeds out of here just to make it cleaner. Just so I can get no seeds in every bite when I put the cream cheese in there. I don't want any seeds on there, so I'll just scoop it out with my fingers. Of course, I'm wearing gloves, so I don't accidentally touch my eyes. It's not a very enjoyable feeling to get that stuff in your eyeballs. All right, so I guess the next thing I'm going to do, let's take that out of the way. What I'm going to do is I'm going to slice them crossways, a good chunk of cream cheese, and I'll add it to each pepper. Make a little boat so it holds the cream cheese. Cream cheese holds pretty good up to the heat, so you can. It won't dissolve and come out with the heat. So, and you can do this on the barbecue in the oven if you want. I like doing it on the smoker or on my Weber grill. All right, that's all the jalapenos. So now I'll just cut these in quarters and I'll stuff them in the. And I don't usually cut the stems off, just in case it wants to. The cream cheese wants to come out. It gives it some place to hold. You can take the stem off if you want. So a little bit more, and we're all set to wrap. Well, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to line them up, dust them with my barbecue rub. Just gives it extra flavor. Take a strip of bacon. I start with the small end, and then it's kind of messy, but you just keep wrap over each other. And you could pin it if you want. I think the bacon will hold, so you might not have to. On the next appetizers I'm going to do, I'm going to definitely use toothpicks to hold it together, but I just stretch it and wrap it over each other, and that, as it cooks and shrinks, it'll usually hold. Doing a fast job here, just don't want to take too much time, but it's pretty well the process you do. Just as long as you wrap over it, it'll hold. You find the bacon's too short, I just stretch it a little bit. Alright, we got 6 more to do, and it's the low bell pepper, so these ones I'll leave it kind of loosely wrapped, just because they're not as long as the jalapeno. So yeah, it looks like I got just enough bacon to do all of them, so that's good. No leftover bacon for breakfast tomorrow. But yeah, I'll get these put in the fridge. I'll let them just sit while I fire up the barbecue or the Weber, and then we'll put them on there. Get them going until they're nice and crispy, and then plate them and ready to serve. So, last one. There you go. So, tomorrow we'll fire up the grill. We'll put them on there. We'll get them nice and crispy. Plate them, serve them, and hopefully everybody will like them. we'll see you in a few minutes there after I fire up the grill and put them on there. So we'll be right back. I got the Weber fired up. I got over to the one. I got all the coals over to one side, so it's indirect. I'm leaving all this space here for the grate and the peppers. I got it so it's rolling blue smoke. So now I'm going to just put these on so it's indirect, and I'll close the lid, and I'll come back and check in within an hour and see how they turn out. I just want the bacon to get all crispy and everything, so we'll come back in an hour and see how it goes.